wasting my time trying to make up my mind. Well, I'm sitting here as the chandelier is whispering in my ear, saying, can I get a cigarette? I know you'll never be mine, but can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? Just take my heart and break it. Can you come around tonight? I might be the enemy, but nothing quite hits like you. Well, take this pen and write for me. Oh, write me a song, and I'll try to forget it. Oh, standing there as the man upstairs comes crashing through the ceiling, saying, where's my fucking cigarette? With a fire in his eyes. Can you come around tonight and sing me a lullaby? Just take my heart and break it. Can you come around tonight? I might be the enemy, but nothing quite hits like you. And as all my patience starts to dry,